Good morning, children. How are you all today? I hope everyone is safe at home. Welcome back to English class. Now, children, quickly get with your English notebook, sharpen pencil, and your eraser. Today, we are going to learn to write letters small m, small n, small o, and small p. Okay, children? So, first, we will see how to write letter M. Okay, now children, letter M will come in two blue lines. Okay, for letter M we need standing line and two upward curves. Okay, children, let's see how to write letter M. Okay, first you have to put a standing line. First, you will make a standing line between two blue lines. Okay, then make a upward curve between two blue lines. Okay, again you will make a upward curve between two blue lines. Okay, children? Okay, in letter M one standing line will come and two upward curves will come. Okay, children, for letter M. ओके, तो लेटर M के लिए आपको सबसे पहला स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है. ठीक है, टू ब्लू लाइंस के अंदर. ओके, और टू अपवर्ड कर्व्स बनाना है बराबर टू ब्लू लाइंस के अंदर. ओके, upward curve and one more upward curve like this. Okay, this upward curve will come in two blue lines. जो लेटर M है वो बराबर टू ब्लू लाइंस के अंदर आएगा. Okay, children, first you all have to make a standing line. Okay, children, then you have to make a upward curve between two blue lines. Okay, again make a upward curve between two blue lines. This is your letter M. Okay, and make sure your letter should be in two blue lines. Okay, letter M will come in two blue lines. Okay, आपका ये two blue lines के बाहर आपका letter नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay. Okay, children, did you all got it? Okay, now we will move to our next letter, that is letter N. Okay, for letter N we need standing line and one upward curve. Okay, like this. Standing line and one upward curve. Okay, this is your letter N. Standing line. Okay, children, and make upward curve between two blue lines. Okay, children, in letter M two upward curves will come. Okay, and this upward curves will touch the standing line. Standing line को touch करके आपको upward curves बनाना है. Okay, letter M के लिए, small m के लिए standing line. Okay, and two upward curves will come. Okay, children, and in letter N में standing line और one upward curves will come. Okay, one upward curve will come. Okay, now children, we will move to our next letter, that is letter O, small o, and small o you have to make a curve, go up and join where you have started. Okay, children, and O will come in two blue lines. Okay, first you have to make a curve. Okay, like this in two blue lines, between two blue lines. Then you have to go up and join where you have started. Okay, children, this is your letter O. Okay, first you have to make a curve. Okay, between two blue lines, then go up and join where you have started. Okay, this is your letter O. Okay, children, M, N and O will come in two blue lines. ये जो letter M, N और O बराबर two blue lines के अंदर आएगा. Okay, then you have to make a then you have to make letter P. Okay, for P we need standing line from first blue line to red line. Okay, then you have to make a curve like this and this curve will touch the standing line. Okay, first you have to make a standing line from first blue line to red line. Okay, then you have to make a half curve between two blue lines and touch the standing line. This is your letter P, small p. Okay children, first you have to write slowly and neatly children. Your letter should be neat and clear. Okay, in this manner you will complete your page. Okay children, small m, small n, small o, small p. I hope you all understood how to write letters, that is small m, small n, small o, small p in your English notebook. Right children? आपको सबको समझ में आया ना कि कैसे लिखना है? Very good. Now homework for today is you will write two page. On the first page you will write letter M, N, O, P. Okay, on the second page you will write letter I, J, K, L. Okay children, so you have two page homework. First page you will write M, small n, small o, small p. Okay, on the second page you will write small I, small j, small k and small l. Okay children, bye, take care.